feel feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Hi guys, and karibu sana to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jambin Jeroge. Welcome to my little space. Okay, so today's tutorial is this kind of like low bun with a Marley braid. So yeah, if you'd like to see how we achieved this look, then keep on watching. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to it.
Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit.
Okay, so we're going to start off by laying my hair. You've already seen me do this process a million times. That is my nice and lovely styling gel. I went ahead and just sectioned the hair into two parts just so that I can be able to work with the hair. So I'm just going to start with one side and I'm going to brush that out, and I usually use two different types of brushes just to ensure that it is well slicked out. And then I'm going to be using a hair tie, and I'm going to be using that to hold the hair at the back. Like I said, this is just like a very quick overview. I'm sure you've already seen me do this before, but if you'd like a detailed version on how I slick my hair, it will be linked down below. So this is me just brushing out any excess, anything that was left behind. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab a hair scarf, and I'm going to place that on my hair, and I'm going to let that sit for about an hour or so. Okay, so this is the hair that we're going to be using. It is Fluffy Kinky by Angel. So the hair we are going to be using is Fluffy Kinky. I was actually going to buy Marley, but I couldn't find it in my hair color, which is number 30. So I just opted for Fluffy Kinky. So it comes like this. Now I don't want to use it like this, so I have to do that. Okay, so I have to separate it so that it can look something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and just unravel the hair, and that is pretty much the motion that I'm using. I'm basically just kind of like separating it, separating the hair just to kind of add volume and just to even make it look better. I didn't like how it was straight from the packet, so this is a method that I am using to kind of separate the hair. I just went ahead and just kind of tried to show you again from another angle what exactly I was doing. I was just pulling the hair apart to just separate it. So yeah, this is a method that we're going to be using. So this is how the hair looked at first, and when I was done separating it, this is how it looked. So you can see there's such a big difference, and I think that this way it looks so much better. Next, I'm going to be grabbing a hair tie, and I'm going to attach it to the hair, and this is what I'm going to be using to attach the Marley braid to my own hair. So yeah, basically that is what I'm doing. I'm just using the rubber band to attach the Marley hair to my braid. As you can see, I made one side longer than the other just so that I can use that to kind of conceal. I can use the shorter side to conceal where I added the hair. Now, this is what I did at first. Then I realized when I started to look at the hair, like it was very ilikuwa kidogo, like the amount wasn't enough, so I didn't like the volume. So I was like, let me add on another set of Marley hair. So I had already unbraided. I only used one pack, so this is half of the pack. So I went ahead and just grabbed the other half of the pack. So this is me. I went ahead and just got the other half. But what I did was that it was very hard to attach the entire thing at once. So I separated the hair into two sections, and then I attached it one by one. So this is me attaching the first section, and then I'm going to go ahead and attach the second section of hair, and this is what you will end up with. I feel like that looks better. That's more voluminous. I went ahead and just separated the hair even further just to add even more volume. I really liked how it looked when it was separated. So yeah, that is what I am doing. So initially I was going to use these tiny rubber bands, but I opted for these ones after I realized that the tiny ones were not really doing the job well. So this is me just kind of tying the hair into small sections. So I did about I think like 8 sections, and I will not lie to you, it's very hard to kind of get the hair tied through the hair. But once I was done, I just went ahead and just added volume again by fluffing it out. The motion that I'm doing, I don't know how to explain it, but I think when you see it, it's much simpler. And this is the final look, guys. I think it turned out super cute. This was such a simple, easy, flawless kind of look. Definitely one of my favorites that I've done so far. It's such a cute and easy ponytail that anyone can do. If you have either Afro Kinky or Marley hair, this will work absolutely well, especially because it kind of just blends in with the hair and just it just looks like it's just an extension of my hair.
Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you so much.